In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pepperstone. Now, it's actually very simple because the platform is pretty straightforward, so I'm going to take you step by step and just follow me. Now, the first thing you have over here inside their secure client area is the button which says Launch Web Trader. Now, whenever you click on this, it's going to launch their web trader in a separate window over here. Then you're going to have to log in with one of your accounts, and then you can go ahead and start trading. So this is where your trading is going to be done, okay? However, inside their secure client area, you have a few different options. The first one is applications. So this is where you can actually go ahead and put in your details to actually go to your application to actually finish setting up your account. Okay, so this is where you're going to have to do this. And then down here, as you can see, you have trading accounts. You can switch between live and demo. And of course, these accounts are going to be different. Demo is going to be basically like paper trading, and the live one is going to be trading using your own money. Okay, you can also add them by clicking add an account over here or add over here, which will of course add a demo account. Now, if you go to funds, also whenever you finish your application process, you'll be able to add funds, withdraw funds, transfer funds, and see your withdrawal history. But for me, my account is not yet verified. I've only been using it for demo trading for now, so I can't actually show you anything in here. Here you have their trading tools. So they have a pip calculator, a margin calculator, and a profit calculator as well. You can just click on open calculator, and like this, you can go ahead and do your calculations. Same here and same here as well. And then here you can see partners. If you want to, you can join their broker program or their affiliate program as well. So more on that can be found by clicking the Join Now button, either here or here. And then here where it says Platforms, you'll be able to see a few different things. First, you have your Pepperstone web trader, which you can launch by the click of this button. You can go ahead and get the web trader for MT5, so MetaTrader 5, or you can download it to your computer or mobile as well. Same goes for MetaTrader 4. And then over here, you also have the options to actually use CTrader together with Pepperstone. So you can use the web, the CTrader for desktop or for mobile. And the other ones over here, as you can see, is the spread indicator. So you can read what this does, and you can go ahead and download that as well if you want to. If you click on the Pepperstone home button, it's going to take you to their basically home page where you can, the first time you land here, whenever you go to pepperstone.com, and here, if you want to contact them, you can click on that and you'll see their contact details. Up here, top right, you have your account. You can log out and you can go ahead and change your language as well. And here you can open up this chat box and you can chat to them via live chat or via WhatsApp. So if you want to get in touch, that's one of the ways of doing so. And the other ones are here on your screen whenever you click Contact Us. Now, as I said, when you launch your web trader over here, you can go ahead and start trading in here with either your real or demo accounts. And yeah, that's pretty much how to use Pepperstone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.